There are a lot of lawyers, prosecutors, judges who send me cases because they know that in the county of San Francisco, the city and county of San Francisco, and in the San Francisco Bay Area, I'm probably the only one who just does DUI defense, nothing but, with over 30 years of experience and great results. Many would say that I'm the best DUI lawyer in the San Francisco Bay Area. I don't say that, though, because I don't think it's right to say that. I say that I'm one of the best. There are other really good DUI lawyers, and there are unfortunately a lot of not as good lawyers who do DUI work. I think it's really important to talk to that lawyer and use your gut. What does your gut say about their experience, about how they care about you and your case, about their knowledge of DMV and the court where your case is going to go on, the county you were arrested in? Do they know the DAs they're dealing with? Do they know the system? How about DMV? What is their experience with DMV? Do they know these hearing officers? What kind of results have they gotten? You know, some of these cases, some of the hardest cases are refusal cases, because that typically means on a first DUI that you're facing 1 year of no driving, no restriction, no nothing. I have won many, many refusal cases in the San Francisco Bay Area. I don't win them all, but I've won a lot. And I've got a stack of, paperwork from DMV, and each one is a DMV hearing that I've won, and a lot of those are refusal cases. Sometimes what we can do in those cases is get a refusal DMV case changed to a .08 case, because what that would do is that would allow you a work restricted license or an ignition interlock license. Instead of having no license at all for a year, you might have an ignition interlock for 4 months or 6 months or something like that. There are ways, not in every case that's a refusal, but in some, to get either a complete victory or to get it changed to a restricted license situation, which can save jobs and so much more when you live in the San Francisco Bay Area and you need to drive a car and you've gotten a DUI, and unfortunately the cop said that you refused to take a chemical test. Now DMV is trying to tell you that you're not going to drive for a year or more at all without any restriction. Find a lawyer who knows ways to have a chance to win these cases. No one can say, oh yeah, I guarantee I'm going to win this refusal case for you, or this DMV case, or this court case. No one can say that. We're not allowed to. But experience, aggressiveness, knowledge of who we're dealing with, who our opponents are, that is priceless. And you really want to find that in your search for the best DUI lawyer in the San Francisco Bay Area. Talk to a few people, look at their reviews, see what other people are saying about them. You know, you can ask other attorneys about attorneys. They don't have to, you can ask someone who does general criminal defense. Hey, do you know this lawyer? What do you think of their abilities? There are a lot of lawyers who do general criminal defense, not a lot of DUIs, and they'll send their cases to me, and that's a sign. Do other attorneys send you cases because they don't feel like they're as comfortable defending these? DUIs involve science. They involve a lot of complex issues. I've been studying this stuff for over 30 years. I go to conferences all over the country to become a better DUI lawyer so that I can be the best DUI lawyer there is. It's really important to understand the science of DUIs, because that's how we win some of these cases or get better results in these cases. And the prosecution knows that we know this information, and that's why if we negotiate a case, we're more likely than other lawyers who are not the best DUI lawyers to get the best deal possible. So anyone who wants a free consultation, you're more than welcome to contact me, and you make the determination whether I'm the best DUI lawyer in the San Francisco Bay Area or one of the best, which is what I always say. I never tell someone, oh, you have to hire me because I'm the best DUI lawyer. So there's a number of really good and a smaller number of the best DUI lawyers in the San Francisco Bay Area. And fortunately, the others are just like me, and they're here to help people. That's what we do. We want to make your case come out with the best result possible.